Today is Tuesday, September 25th. The time is 10:25 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Gold Standard Basketball break. Break number 12. Good luck, everybody. Pacers, Tyler Hansborough, serial number 53 out of 299. Suns, Rex Chapman, serial number 19 out of 299. Raptors, Jared Bayless, serial number 99 out of 299. We have a Golden Futures medal, card number 24, pick number 24. That list is not out yet for the rookies. I'm recording everybody's name, and when it comes out in the fall, which should be actually shortly, I will email the winners. Same thing with this redemption, 2011 draft pick auto XRCI. Landry Fields, Knicks, autograph, serial number 102 out of 149 for the Knicks. For the Utah Jazz, Hall of Gold, John Stockton, jersey. That's serial number 19 out of 49. For the Celtics, Kevin McHale, 14 karat graphs, autograph, serial number 9 out of 49. For the Orlando Magic, 14 karat memorabilia, Jason Richardson, jersey, or actually patch, serial number 79 out of 99. For the Nets, Gerald Wallace, serial number 110 out of 299. Toronto Raptors, Andre Bargnani, serial number 150 out of 299. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Current listed for basketball box breaks, I have another 2011-12 Panini Gold Standard. For hockey box breaks, I have 2011-12 Panini Prime. For baseball box breaks, ending tomorrow, I have 2012 Topps Triple Threads. For football box breaks for 2011, I have Panini Gold Standard and Panini Prime Signatures. For 2012 football box breaks, Panini Momentum, Topps Finest, and Topps Inception.